Hello everyone, so finally wait is over. We have recruitment from Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL, which is Maharatna PSU, and you can see that position is Management Trainee Technical. Total vacancies are 92 vacancies. If you complete your BE BTech, then you are eligible. Now which branches are eligible, I will show you in few seconds, so no need to worry. Okay, salary, so this is the biggest salary so far some PSU is giving without GATE exam, and that is 16 lakh CTC. Yes, for freshers 16 lakh CTC is a very good salary, I can say, right? And all over India candidates are eligible for this recruitment. Now we will see detailed information quickly. So let's start the video. So as always we see important points. So first important point, there is a 65% criteria for OBC candidate and 55% criteria is for SC, ST and PWD candidate. The main important thing is that this recruitment is only for OBC and SC, ST and PWD. This recruitment is not for general and EWS candidate. So this is sad part, but we can't do anything in that. Okay, so those who are from general EWS, you can just stop this video. Don't forget to like the video, and soon there will be more opportunities for you in 2024. No need to worry or no need to get discouraged because of this. Okay, just stay connected to the channel. Exam center all over India, exam centers we have, no need to worry. Posting anywhere in India you will get. Now about training and probation period. So training will be of 1 year, and during your training you will get 50,000 in your hand, and probation is of 1 year. After that you will become assistant manager and you will get 16 lakh CTC. Now most important thing, that is process. So what is the process? First they will conduct your CBT, then GD, and then interview will be there. The weightage is for CBT 75%, then 10% for GD and 15% weightage is given for interviews. Age limit cutoff date is 31st of December 2023. Age limit is OBC 31, SC 33 for PWD general OBC. For PWD it is 10 year relaxable up to 38 years. Important dates, so form will start on 11th of December. So on 11th of December you will get form filling video. Properly watch that video and then only fill the form so that you can get good idea about form filling. Form will end on 31st of December and tentatively your CBT is scheduled in January month. Fees will be 700 rupees for OBC candidate. For SC, ST, PWD 200 rupees is the fee. Now let's break the vacancies. So here you can see that for chemical engineering we have total 3 vacancies. For civil engineering we have total 3 vacancies. For electrical engineers total 26 vacancies are there. Instrumentation 7 vacancies. Mechanical 34. Metallurgy 5 and mining total 14 vacancies are there. And category wise you can see here OBC, SC and ST. Okay, so this is the breakdown category wise. Now which branches or engineering disciplines are eligible? So here you can see in mechanical engineer, if you did your production engineering mechanical, obviously you can apply under mechanical post. Then for metallurgy, here you can see material science and metallurgy guys, you can apply here. In electrical, triple E, electrical, then power system. Okay, then you can see electrical and mechanical engineering, then electrical and instrumentation, electrical electronics, all are eligible. Chemical engineering is eligible under chemical engineering, civil. Okay, then instrumentation engineer, so those who complete BTech in electronics, communication, telecom, you will apply in instrumentation engineering. Instrumentation obviously apply here. Electrical instrumentation, electronic instrumentation, everyone is eligible for instrumentation post. And under mining engineering and technology are eligible. Okay, before applying just check this medical standard for you, whether you are fit into this or not. Okay, then only apply. And here you can see exam center list. So enough exam centers we have all over India. Some of the cities are not there, but you can apply in your nearby cities. Okay. About exam pattern in quick way, I will show you now. In detail we will discuss in our strategy video. So total 200 marks paper is there. Okay, first part is your technical, 100 marks you will get. And the most important thing, sectional timing is there. Okay, in PSU exam we can see now sectional timing. So only 40 minutes you will get to attempt this 100 marks, and very challenging, but no need to worry, we will discuss that how you can achieve this thing, right? Second part you have non-technical, where you will get 80 minutes, 40 minutes extra as compared to technical to attempt this 100 questions. So here you can see that in this 100 we have 25 questions of general awareness, reasoning, aptitude and English. Okay, so total your 120 minutes is divided like 40 minutes for technical. After that automatically your non-technical section will get start. Okay, तो वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और 80 मिनट आपको मिलेंगे नॉन टेक्निकल के लिए. तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको ध्यान ना. और सबसे अलग एग्जाम पैटर्न है अब तक जितने भी PSU एग्जाम हमने प्रीवियसली टारगेट किए हैं और सिलेक्शन दिए हैं. लेकिन डरने की बात नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर ऑन जेन्युइन प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज गिविंग कंसिस्टेंट सिलेक्शन इन PSU. ठीक है, नो नीड टू वरी, जस्ट मेक श्योर अगर फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो. So are you excited for this Maharatna or not? In the comment section let me know. Type yes if you are super excited and waiting for different strategy video. Soon I will make the video, and this is the very good opportunity for OBC SC ST candidate. Just कुछ भी करके इसको लेना है आपको और ये महारत्ना ज्वाइन करना है 16 लाख CTC में. कुछ भी क्वेरी है, any doubt, any query in notification, then you can comment down below. Just wait for strategy video on 11th of December. I will meet in form filling video. Okay, all the best, and don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, which is most important.